Time to pick your water park's amazing grand entrance. Which one welcomes you to fun? Which awesome super slide would you rather zoom down first? Get ready for a splash! Would you pick Mario's Adventure Pool, Peppa's Muddy Fun, or Buzz Lightyear's Mystery Surprise? Whoa! The Cosmic Starry Pool had a real shooting star that made you float! Pick one, the coziest lazy river for ultimate relaxation. Which one calls to you? Time to decide. Which fantastic splash pad is perfect for a watery romp? Your water park needs a mascot! Which beloved character would you choose to greet everyone? Which delicious snack stand would you add to your water park? So many yummy choices! Pick one of these incredible floaties for a truly magical water park experience. Which one is yours? Time to decide. Which mystery zone will bring the most excitement to your water park? Unbelievable! The Bright Emotion Playground transformed into a giant bouncy castle of pure happiness. Which would you choose for ultimate relaxation after a big day of water fun? What would you pick? What's your pick for the most amazing fountain display at your water park? Let us know in the comments. Ready for thrills? Which incredible water coaster will you brave first? Which would you choose for your water park's awesome animal habitat zone? Would you rather ride the waves at your water park? Which surfing simulator is calling your name? giant tipping bucket will soak you the most at your water park? So much fun! Pick one. An amazing underwater tunnel for your water park. Which one will you explore? Which delicious themed restaurant would you love to eat at in your water park? Time to decide. Which character meet and greet zone sounds like the most fun? Which cozy relaxation cabana would you choose to kick back and relax in? After all the fun, which gift shop will you visit for the best souvenirs? Which locker room would you choose to get ready for your water park adventure? Which Water Blaster arena promises the most epic water fight? Pick your battleground. Which fantastic foam party pit will you jump into first? So much bubbly joy. What's your pick for the most enchanting rainbow bridge in your water park? Which thrilling volcano ride will you dare to conquer at your water park? So exciting! Imagine your dream cloud castle in the water park. Which one sounds the most fun? Which pirate ship will you command for an epic water park adventure? Which beautiful mermaid lagoon would you love to explore at your water park? Would you rather visit a dinosaur island in your water park? Which one sounds wildest? Which sweet Candyland zone would you add to your water park for ultimate sugar fun? Time to pick your space station dive. Which one takes you to the stars and back? Which jungle river expedition will you embark on at your water park? So adventurous. What's your pick for the most magical enchanted forest falls in your water park? Which gem mining stream would you explore for hidden treasures at your water park? Would you rather discover a secret cave at your water park? Which one sounds most mysterious? Time to decide! Which exciting treasure hunt game will you play at your water park? Which special effects show would you love to see light up your water park nights? Which music system will set the perfect vibe for your water park? Pick your ultimate sound. Which amazing light show would you rather have at your water park? So mesmerizing. Pick one. The coolest floating snack bar for your water park. Which one will keep you fueled? Which awesome ice cream stand would you choose to cool down at your water park? Time to decide. Which super cool slushy station will refresh you at your water park? Which water balloon fight zone sounds like the most epic fun for your water park? What What's your pick for the most enchanting magic potion shop at your water park? Which amazing bubble machine would you choose to fill your water park with fun bubbles? Which super speed booster would you add to your water park slides for ultimate thrill? Would you pick Peppa's Bouncy Mud Zone, Buzz's Zero Gravity Fun, or Hello Kitty's Mystery Surprise? Amazing! Hello Kitty's Mystery Surprise was a giant bubble that let you float all over the park. Which bouncy castle area will bring the most laughs to your water park? So much springy fun. Pick your mystery character parade! Which awesome surprise will parade through your water park? Wow! The sing-along spectacle was a parade where everyone's favorite characters appeared and sang a giant musical. Which would you choose? Paddington's Sweet Ball Pit, Pooh's Honey Pit, or Stitch's Mystery Surprise? Holy guacamole! Stitch's Mystery Surprise was a glow-in-the-dark ball pit with secret tunnels.